Hi guys, this is a 3D printer from Enter. So this is the perfect temperature and speed settings for PLA on Enter 3. You can see that perfect layers have been printed. Smooth, clear. See, this is a perfect temperature. Nozzle temperature around 185, bed temperature about 58 to 60, fan at around 70 to 80, and speed should be around 70. And for bigger projects, you should be approaching to clear the feeding tube because they get locked and they become sticky. With PLA on the inside, fused on the inside. So every time after a longer project, I do clear it off, nip away the feeding tube, and I have a replacement tube. Sometimes I try with two filament colors, one after the other. It's a plant, small 3D plant. I will print a solid product. I'm in the process of printing an 18650 capsule. So this is the lid. Lid was completed last night. So now I'm printing the base. So this is going to take 2 days. So I thought I would share with you the settings once again. Thank you folks.